17th one, write a NumPy program to repeat array elements. Okay, so here you use repeat function here. Earlier we used tile function, here we use repeat function here. Okay, so check the output here, repeat function. So check the parameters here. Array like, first parameter is array like, input array. Second one is a repeats one. Okay, number of how many times you have to repeat it. So check the output here. See here, 4 number array repeats 4 times here. Okay, suppose if you give 3 here, see repeats 4 times. If you want to repeat 5 times, check 5 here, simple. Okay, and 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 means it's y-axis 2 here. Just check the repeat function here for 2 dimension also. Check the output here. See, check the examples are there. Okay, you can easily repeat x comma 2. Okay, it repeats 1 comma 2 comma 2. Axis equal to 1, horizontal side. Okay, axis equal 0, vertical side. Okay, so that's like that. Returns here, what's the return here? Array like, repeat, axis. Okay, easily you can check here. Okay, simple one.